Hi, I don't want to get you too excited about the B-roll this week, but here's a muntjac deer in the garden. That's exciting because in the UK you usually only see them this close when they give you a startled look as they bounce off your windscreen in the middle of the night. Steve's unavailable today because he's helping police with their inquiries, apparently. Something to do with illegal walkie-talkies. So I asked his friend Deborah for some advice on orchestral composing, and she's really good at technical things. Not sure why I had to go to her castle, seems a bit pretentious to me. Anyway, what have you got for us, Deborah? Double bass. Check. Synth. Check. Submarine. Oh, I see. Sub bass. Okay, I've got it. We're focusing on the low end of our mixes. In Logic, I'll load up those three instruments. Bass, synth, and sub bass. The point here is a good double bass will sound fine, but to give it some bite, we can add other elements. The synth will add some of that. It doesn't need to be overly complicated. And then the sub bass, an octave below the double bass, will really help. You probably won't notice it if you aren't wearing headphones. So that's an example using long notes. What about more staccato passages? Well, we can do exactly the same again. Bass, synth, sub. You should be able to hear those working together with each other, and it's a great place to start when constructing a bass section for your hybrid orchestral style cues. Apparently, the Lego police are demanding like and subscribes from you to release Steve on bail. So, I'll see you next time. Not so sure about Steve. Good luck, buddy.